Welcome to Miniature V. Today we are going to see KTM RC390. This is the best-selling miniature among all YouTubers and the miniature collectors. And this one piece is made from Maestro. And the KTM bike is quite famous between the young crowd of India as well as across the globe. And this miniature has come up very well, and we'll unbox this bike in this video. Watch the video till the end and kindly subscribe and like the video. If you want to buy this bike, you can click the link below and you can buy it. Let us unbox this bike. I have bought this bike from Flipkart. You can also buy it from Amazon or other major e-sellers, and it has come in a very nice package. I have little difficulty to open. This edition of miniature has been created by Maestro, and this is a fish metal two-wheeler edition, and the package is really very good in condition, and it's very nicely packed, and even it doesn't have any scratches, but MRP rate they have peeled out. I don't know, maybe it may be less also. Licensing details are there. Let us open by using the blade. The bike has reached us in a very good condition. This RC390 is one of the favorite bike even for me, and it's very clean. KTM has done a very good job in this bike. It's one of the best selling bike in India. This is really very good looking bike. RC390, it's awesome. KTM, you're rocking. Maestro has created or replicated this bike very well, and the bike is very smooth feel movements, design, detailing, everything is so clear, and it's very nice piece for my collection. Have added this also into my collection. It is even the small details, everything is nice. Even there are few readings in the speedometer, wheel detailing, body metal pieces. Speedometer shows 0, but it is so attractive still. And tank detailing, but tank detailing it is little poor, but it's fine. Maestro has been designed in the number plate. That is nice. This thing, disc brake is nice, suspension action is nice. Overall, the movement of the bike is very awesome. For watching this video, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. We are making so many videos, we are waiting. Kindly subscribe to watch all our videos.